How to add hashtags to TikTok videos after posting. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Go to your feed and open any of your videos. Now tap on the three dots on the right side of the screen. Here you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Swipe left and tap on Edit Post. Here you can edit the hashtag of this video. Go to the description box and add as many hashtags as you want. You can also check below to get more hashtag suggestions. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Then tap on Save at the bottom. Now go back to your profile and open the video again. You can now view the hashtags you just added in the video caption. Following these steps, you can easily add hashtags to TikTok videos after posting.